Adrian Hill from Superior Accounting Group, and I'm going to be discussing risk insurance. Risk insurance is another term for 4 different types of insurance. The types of insurance I mean are life insurance, income protection insurance, TPD insurance and trauma insurance. Now, out of those 4 insurances, all except trauma are able to be owned by a self-managed super fund and paid by a self-managed super fund and are tax deductible to a self-managed super fund. What you need to ensure with your risk insurance is that all policies you take out are CPI indexed. Now, the reason that is as time goes on, you want to make sure that you don't lose pace with inflation with what you're covered for, and you want to make sure that all policies are non-cancelable. So what that means is if you protract an illness that your insurance pays out on, if your cover is not non-cancelable, that means next time when you go to renew, they can not renew you. So it's really important to have non-cancelable and also CPI index policies. It's also crucial that before you take out any type of risk insurance, that you consult a professional who specialises in risk insurance, because what they're going to need to do is undertake a thorough analysis of your family's current situation, assets, liabilities, income, expenses, kids, etc., to make sure that they can have a detailed analysis and discussion, making sure that the cover they recommend is the cover that you need to suit your family situation as is. It's really, really important that if you're going to take out this insurance, that you have the right level of cover. The other thing that you need to do is to review these insurance policies and the level of cover regularly. Now, I'm not talking every year because that's over the top, but maybe every 2 or 3 years you sit down with your trusted advisor who is a specialist in risk insurance and undertake another analysis to make sure that your level of cover doesn't need to change up or down, and if it does, make sure you continue to take out the right level of cover for your situation each time you review it. Because at the end of the day, insurance is in place for one reason, and that is if you need it, you want it. And if you want it, you want to make sure that it pays out for the things you're expecting it to pay out on and for the level and amount of cover that you're expecting and needing for your family. So if you have any additional questions or would like to speak to us in more detail about risk insurance, please feel free to contact our office.